The Air Jordan 1 Triple Stack is set to shake up the sneaker world in 2026, introducing one of the boldest women's exclusive designs in Jordan brand history. This new silhouette takes the classic Air Jordan 1 Low OG and elevates it, literally, with three full midsole-outsole units stacked on top of each other, creating a dramatic platform look that instantly commands attention. Jordan brand has explored platform concepts before, but nothing this extreme, giving the triple stack its own identity among models like the Jordan 1 Brooklyn and the discontinued Jordan 1 Low Elevate. Early leaks reveal two standout colorways, a UNC-inspired psychic blue and a striking team red, sanded gold combination. Premium touches elevate the upper, including a lined corduroy tongue, stitched wings logo on the heel, and handwritten style branding on the tongue tag and insoles. With chunky sneakers trending across brands, from Adidas to Puma, the Jordan 1 Triple Stack is poised to become one of 2026's most talked about releases.